In almost every single industry that you're in, there's always gonna be some kind of shady people. Although we wish everybody was wholehearted, truthful, let's face it, not everybody is. In this video, we're gonna be talking about some rental real estate scams that have been going on. I wanna make sure you're well informed about it. What's up? I'm Brandon Young. I have taught hundreds of people how to make money through real estate, investing, cryptocurrency. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss a beat. So I'm basically going to talk about 3 of the scams that I've seen happen a lot. So let's get straight into it. First one that we have on the list is moving fraud. Now basically how this one works is you call up a moving company, they go ahead, give you an estimate, or they require a deposit up front. You go ahead and load up all of your belongings. But when you actually get to the delivery, they go ahead and demand a higher price than was previously estimated. And basically they're telling you at the end that if you don't pay up, you ain't getting your belongings. So you're kind of in a pickle. The way that you want to handle this is make sure you're dealing with reputable companies that have a lot of reviews, a lot of popular companies, not things that you're seeing on Craigslist or maybe somebody that just posts a local ad. Make sure they got reviews and they reputable. You don't want these people ripping you off, man. Now there are plenty of websites that if this does occur that you can report this to. One of them being is the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Association or administration. Sorry if I misstrued that. You can also report it to the Better Business Bureau Scam Tracker. They go ahead and track a lot of scams that go on, as well as report it to your local authorities. Make sure that they're aware about it. Now number 2 is a foreclosure or equity stripping scam. Now the way this works is someone will pay your delinquent mortgage by purchasing your home from you, but they allow you to stay in the home as a renter. And basically after your financial situation improves, they allow you to have the option to buy your house back, which seems pretty cool. But what actually happens is the person that buys the house from you, they go ahead and they cash out your equity in your house, and to make matters worse, you lose the title to your home. The way that you protect yourself against this is never try to deal with any third-party associations. Always try to deal with your loan servicer immediately, like directly. Try to deal with them. They usually also have a HUD housing administrator that allows you to deal with them. I think it's like a counselor, as well as they do have housing authority counselors that help you in situations like this. Number 3 is the most popular one that I've seen, that it's even happened to a couple of my friends, and that one is going to be the rental scheme. Basically how this one works is the person will put up a fake ad on Craigslist or these ad websites. You go ahead and you look at the ad and you're like, oh, I want to see this rental, or I'm interested in this rental. The fraudster then requires you to send a security deposit of some sort or some money to hold a spot. They go ahead and disappear with your money. Now the way that you protect yourself against this is you always want to make sure you verify the actual owner of this actual property, or you have signed a lease agreement and you know for sure that you have signed it before you send any type of payment. And if you want to do any type of advance payment, always make sure that you have visited the place in person. Do not go ahead and give a deposit for something that you haven't seen in person and you haven't really talked to the person in person. If you have ever experienced any other rental scams, let me know in the comment section below. I want to know your kind of stories that you've been through and have experienced. If you enjoyed these videos, be sure to go ahead and subscribe. Go and like this video. I'm Brandon Young. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.